Everyone asked me this question when I was a kid. I'm pretty sure you have heard it too.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I always had an answer to it. Initially, I wanted to become a bus driver or a truck driver, maybe. Yeah, even sometimes a pilot. But after a certain point, whenever somebody asked me that question, my answer would always be an engineer. But why? That is a long story. I wasn't the kid who asked a lot of questions in class. I was too introverted for that. But I was always busy doing something. Fixing my bicycle while my friends took it to the mechanic. Breaking into my RC car every single day for a month, just trying to fix it. Figuring out my family's phone problems before they even finished explaining them to me. And almost every time, I was already bracing for it. The scoldings, the jokes. Oh, he's gonna break it again. And I usually did. One time, I was switching the TV screen from AV to HDMI and the screen went blue. We had to call a technician. My family, friends, relatives, everybody had something to say. But I still did it every time because I needed to know. But through all of it, the scoldings, the jokes, the TV blue screens, there was one person who never made me feel stupid. My mother. She just let me be. I'm grateful I held on to that curiosity because I almost didn't. And if I had let it go, I'd have lost the most real part of myself. That same obsession with understanding how things work, that's what pointed me towards engineering. Cars always fascinated me. By the time I was in 10th class, I already knew drivetrains, body types, transmission types, engine configuration, every car in the Indian market, and I loved supercars. But at some point, something shifted. I stopped just admiring them. I started asking, who designed all of this? Who sat down and figured out how to make a machine that could do all of these things? I wanted to be that person. That's when I knew, engineer, that's what I'm gonna be. I won't lie, EC was not my first choice. But I'm here, and slowly, it is starting to make sense. Curiosity doesn't stay in one place. It never did for me. It started with Iron Man, just trying to learn English. But then I noticed something. The dialogues weren't just words, they carried weight underneath them. So I started paying attention. Then I watched Dune, and I was not ready for that. Every single frame felt like someone had painted it. That's when something cracked open. Films weren't just stories. They were someone's entire vision made visible. Think about it. Every time you have felt something deeply, it was because of art. Engineering and medicine help us survive and thrive, but art is what keeps us alive. It's what makes the surviving worth it. Music, poetry, photography, or cinema, every single form of it. Like a movie is so many things at once. The acting, the story, the way a shot is framed just perfectly, and the dialogues. Each one of those is someone's entire obsession. Someone gave their life to that one piece. I didn't just want to watch anymore. I wanted to create. I wanted to be one of them. But initially, I was scared to pick up a camera. Genuinely. So I kept avoiding it. But then one day, I had to. And when I did, learning about ISO, aperture, shutter speed, there was this feeling of something clicking into place. I knew this feeling before. I had felt it before. In a room with an RC car at age 10. And I knew this was me. I won't lie. I thought it would be easier. I thought I would join college, make videos, and figure it out. But life got busy in ways I didn't expect. And just like that, 6 months passed by. But here's the thing. I'm still here. Not because it's easy, but because I can't not do it. This is just the latest thing I refuse to put down.